Planning for retirement through Bitcoin's block rewards. Hello everyone. Today I want to explore a creative approach to retirement planning that involves Bitcoin's block rewards. This idea stems from a conversation that I saw on X, where someone was asked to pick a retirement year and align it with the Bitcoin block reward for that at that time. Let's break this down and see how it can offer a fresh perspective on financial goals, especially for those interested in cryptocurrency. First, a quick primer on Bitcoin's block rewards. Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network where miners validate transactions and earn newly created Bitcoin as a reward, known as block reward. Roughly every 10 minutes, Bitcoin has a built-in feature called halvening, which happens approximately every 4 years, cutting down the reward in half. This mechanism controls the Bitcoin supply, which is capped at 21 million coins, making it a deflationary asset. As of May 2025, the block reward is 3.125 bitcoins, following the 2024 halving cycle. Looking ahead, it will decrease to 1.5 BTC in 2028 and 0.78 BTC in 2032, and continue halving every 4 years. For example, in 2029, 24 years from now, the reward will be around 0.09 BTC. This gradual reduction increases Bitcoin scarcity, which could drive its value higher if demand grows, a key factor when thinking about long term financial planning. Now, let's connect this to retirement. Imagine you're 36 years old and want to retire at 60, giving you 24 years. At that time, the block reward will be 0.09 BTC. While the amount of Bitcoin per block will be much smaller, its value could be significantly high if Bitcoin prices rise due to increased scarcity. For instance, if 1 BTC is $70,000 today, 3.125 BTC is will be $218,000 per block. If the Bitcoin reaches 500,000 by 2049, that 0.09 BTC would be worth for $50,000 per block, a substantial amount despite the smaller quantity. This approach offers a unique way to set retirement goals. If you are saving in Bitcoin or aiming at to accumulate a certain amount of retirement, the decreasing block rewards could work in your favor as Bitcoin's value potential grows. However, the strategy varies by age. For someone closer to retirement, like 60 years, planning to retire in 5 years, the block reward wouldn't decrease as much by 2030. Sitting at 1.5 blocks, 1.5 BTC after 2028 halving. The shorter timeline means less opportunity for Bitcoin's price to appreciate significantly, making it riskier proposition for those nearing retirement age. How can you apply this idea? Start by mapping your retirement timeline against Bitcoin's halving schedule. If you're younger with several halving ahead, you might benefit more from Bitcoin's potential price growth. You could allocate a portion of a portfolio to Bitcoin balanced with traditional assets like stocks or bonds. If you're closer to retirement, a more conservative approach might be better, with a smaller Bitcoin allocation to hedge against volatility while focusing on stability. Understanding Bitcoin's economics is crucial here. The halving isn't just a technical event, it's a core driver of Bitcoin's value. By aligning your financial goals with this cycle, you can better appreciate how Bitcoin might fit into your plans. That said, Bitcoin is volatile and its future adoption is uncertain. Always research thoroughly and consider professional financial advice before investing. This block reward perspective also highlights the broader concept of scarcity and value over time. Bitcoin's design contrasts with fiat currencies, which often lose value over inflation. Think about your retirement in terms of block rewards encourages you to consider how emerging technologies like Bitcoin might play a role in your financial future, whether you're decades away from retiring or nearing that milestone. In conclusion, using Bitcoin block reward as a retirement planning tool is an innovative way to think about your financial goals. It combines the principles of time, value, and scarcity in a way that's both engaging and forward looking. So take a moment to think. Well, you plan to retire and when you plan to retire and what block rewards might you aim for. Let's keep exploring how uh, cryptocurrency can shape your financial future.